Gentlemen, welcome to today's quick unboxing review. Kamen Rider, a very familiar name, especially for us, the 80s, 70s, or maybe 90s kids. I'm not a super huge fan of Kamen Rider, but in the early days I actually watched the first, the next, Black, those very classic Kamen Rider, but I forgot the story already because I was too young. And then when I grew up, I actually stopped watching it, but I still follow the news. I saw some articles, some magazines, the latest Kamen Rider, but I don't really watch the drama. So throughout the years, except from the classic one, I don't really remember the other's name. Until Kamen Rider W came out. I like it. The design is pretty classic. And then I stopped following the news until the Kamen Rider Zero One. Very good looking. The girls, very pretty. As you all know that I'm not really an action figure guy. I just buy a statue. I want big statue and just for collections. So I never bought any SHF Kamen Rider before. And it's not cheap. Although it is small, 1/12 scale, but it is not cheap. A lot of my friends bought it. Especially one of my good buddy. Yeah, Shafiq. Yes brother, you're the one. Very rich guy. So without further ado, let's see what toy have I bought and just arrived on my doorstep today. Zero One. This is the Sofubi. It's like a Softvinyl statue. It's 1/6 scale. It's about 28 cm or 30 cm. And it is same as my t-shirt. The same pose as well. Let's check the box first. Very simple box. So let's check out the inside.
Don't break me down, baby. I'm losing my mind now, baby. Have you tried so hard, yeah, to find a way to your heart, to your heart. Maybe I'm crazy, maybe I'm lonely.
It's a soft vinyl, so this thing is rubber. Okay, very good looking. This is so cool. Okay, this is for legs maybe. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Okay, let's take a closer look. Quick turn around. My table is got no space anymore. I like Sofubi of Kamen Rider because it's big and the price is pretty affordable compared to SHF. I know it can pose, you can play around, but SHF is about half the size and it's really expensive now. 300 to 400 ringgit Malaysia at least minimum. So I really can't afford that. But Sofubi is big and it's cheap. Detailing, I think not bad, not too bad. Let me take a closer look. The head. This is rubber. Everything is soft here. See the back. This is the very first form of this Kamen Rider Zero. Now you can move the leg. See? This one too. Anything else? Nothing else. Nothing else can move. Yeah, just the leg. I think I like this form. And then on the latest Zero One form, I like it as well. The silver color one. The first Kamen Rider Sofubi statue I bought is this. It's about 200 ringgit if I'm not mistaken. It's very big, about 40 cm. Okay. Then I bought some loose item from Taobao. This, what's this name already? ZO, right? Pretty cheap, less than 100 ringgit, Malaysia. And then my favorite W, Kamen Rider W. It's a Sofubi as well. And this one I bought, I think it's a second hand, complete back in box BIB. This is a RAH Luna Trigger. Pretty dope. Pretty cool. I can't stand really well. Okay. So does it look cool with the latest Zero One? I'm looking for other classics or new Sofubi about 1/6 scale into my Kamen Rider collections. So I think that's all for today. It's very quick, nothing much to review. My table is really packed now. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.